How to check notification history on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check notification history on iPhone. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So to view your notification, you will need to go to your notifications. For that, swipe down from the top and here you will see a notification center. So sometimes when you have a lot of notifications, all of these are just accumulated like this. So here what you'll have to do if you're in this case that you don't see any notification is simply swipe up. So this notification will disappear after you see it once or twice. So it'll just disappear after some time and you can clear it by swiping it on left as well. So the only notification that you will be able to see are the notifications available right here. Anything that is already gone won't be able to, won't be stored anywhere else. So these are the only notifications that you can see. And if you have not removed your notification for a long time, it just gets stored right here. So yeah, if you keep on swiping down, you should be able to see your notification history. But after you've opened up the app that of which you got a notification of, the notification will also disappear. And I hope this was helpful, guys. That's how you check notification history on iPhone. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.